hair, and y'all finna get ready with me to come back to Instagram because I've been gone since November 20th and today is March 28th. So I'm pretty much just doing like all my little maintenance stuff to get back ready so I can start being consistent on my page since I've been gone for so long. This comeback is personal. Nah, but I really just want to grow my channel. I took a little social media break. And the break was nice. It was nice. I didn't have to worry about keeping my hair did or none of that. But now I'm ready to have my hair done and all of that. So right now I'm doing my hair. It's the nighttime. And I ordered some lashes off of Amazon. This is so tight. It gotta be so tight so it could be perfect. Like, this was almost perfect, but it's good enough. And I'm being all rough. I don't wanna make my lace lift. But it's just something about this little hairstyle that I love. So I'm putting my hair into little ponytails. I know I got sidetracked. I don't remember what I was talking about. Oh, Amazon. So I got some lashes coming. They're individuals, like not clusters, individuals. So I'm gonna be putting those on. What else? I don't know if I need to tint my eyebrows in because I did just do that last week, but they seem like they're faded. And what else do I have to do? That's pretty much it. So this is kind of like a get ready with me or a maintenance vlog or just a regular vlog because I don't know what else to include in it. Also, y'all, I hit 1,000 subscribers. 1,000, like me. Little old me hit 1,000 subscribers. So I'm so grateful for that. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel. So pretty much I'm about to just do this little ponytail. This side is so perfect. That's the first time I got it like real perfect. And I just used this, and then I used my little comb, and then I sprayed some of this, and I used, where is it? This. Yeah, let me know if y'all like vlogs and want to see more vlogs, because I ain't really been posting vlogs all like that, but I'm excited to come back to Instagram. So yeah, I didn't even tell y'all that I'm coming back on April 1st, which is on Monday. It's crazy. Crazy. And tomorrow, I'm gonna have me a little drink. So I'm gonna bring y'all along for that. It's not gonna be nothing crazy because I'm still gonna have one of my kids. I need to celebrate. This is how my hair is looking. The hair is so cute. The hair is eating bad. Normally I don't do like a middle swoop, but I feel like I needed to do it. I tried to like create a different hairline, so I don't know how I'm feeling it, but I'm gonna have to tie my hair down for the night. So I'm about to put some makeup though, because I never melted my lace. I just started styling it, and I'm just gonna put it. I'm finna call it a night, like I said, go to bed, and y'all gonna see me in the morning. Let me show y'all the hair one last time before I go. I'm excited to take some Instagram pictures now, looking like the baddest thing walking. Y'all wait till the lashes is done. It's gonna eat down, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow in the morning. Okay, y'all, so it's the next day, and I didn't really talk to y'all in the morning because I didn't really do nothing like too crazy, but I feel like I'm screaming. I'm just so used to having to talk so loud because like the TV be on and stuff. I'm home alone. It just feels so weird. It's like, what do I do? I'm so used to taking care of my kids, but they not here. So yeah, I don't know what I want to do right now. I'm still waiting on my lashes to get here. It is 5:45. I thought my lashes would get here earlier than this, but no, they're still not here. And it says they may not even get here up to 8:45. So I don't even know if I'm gonna do my lashes today. Probably just wait till tomorrow to do them in the morning or something. But I'm still gonna have my drink. I'm gonna do my makeup tonight. I'm gonna get dressed and everything like that because why not? I'm in the bed right now. My package finally say it's 6 stops away. Just laying in the bed right now because I'm trying to think like what I want to do. I don't know. It's like I kind of don't feel like doing nothing, but I want to do something, but I don't know. I don't know what I want to do. So I got my package finally. It's 6:51, so it took like 20 minutes. I'm about to open it though. Show y'all the lashes. This they look like. It's from VI's. So I got these in B curl 8 through 16. I'm about to do my makeup. I'm done with my makeup. And this is how it look. I just chose not to do no lashes or nothing. Because I was trying to put some on. They just was not cute. It's like, I like my lashes to look a certain way. And when they don't, it just throws off the whole look. So I feel like this looks way better than having them lashes on. And plus, I don't like having on long lashes no more. Like, I'm more like a short girl. Like, short, but still full, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I really just threw on this little shirt that I got from Shein, and I didn't know what to pair it with, so I just put on these gray leggings. It's not nothing like too crazy. If I was taking like Instagram pictures, then I would have tried to put something together more like better, but yeah, I'm just sitting here. So I'm finna go show y'all what I'm finna take a drink of, really to celebrate my 1,000 subscribers. I know I told you that. Okay, I wish I had my tripod, but I don't. So this is what I got. This is Tito's. Yeah, like I said, I never had this before. I had to sit in my fridge for some days now, and I'm finally just about to have it. And I got me a little shot cup because, yeah, I'm not taking no drinks out no big cup. And I'm a baby when it comes to taking a shot anyway, so I got this little Celsius sparkling water. I don't know what it is. It just says sparkling kiwi guava. I don't know. It's an energy drink, so it's not really water. But yeah, I need to find somewhere to prop y'all up at, but let me... So I got y'all propped up on my son's walker. So yeah, I'm finna crack this open first though and taste it because I've never had this before, and I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I'm gonna just like tip it over a couple times and I'm gonna rate it 1 to 10. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm about to take a shot. Cheers to 1,000 subscribers, and cheers to finally getting back. I don't know the word. It smells like pure rubbing alcohol. I don't really like this little Celsius thing. I'd rather just have Red Bull. So I ain't doing too much. It's just a little bit. Cheers. Ugh. That's nasty. That's nasty. This is gross. Okay, y'all, so I had just filmed a video. I did like a little fashion lookbook for like, I think I said outfits you could wear on vacation. So I'm sitting in this one outfit because I love it so bad. And it's just everything right now. I just don't want to take it off. But like the weather right now is definitely not the weather for this outfit. Right now it's, let me see what it say. It don't even say, but I think it's like 30 or 40 degrees. And that's crazy. It's spring. It should not be that cold. But I'm gonna show y'all the outfit in a second. Yeah, so make sure y'all go look at that lookbook, because it's most likely gonna be out before this video. So here go the outfit. I have to cover it. Hold on, y'all. I placed another order on Shein, and I just bought like a couple other little things that I might want for my closet. But like, I feel like I don't have enough essentials. Like, I want to get, like, I'm literally just sitting on the bed. It's 12:22 right now. My kid's not back yet, so I just been chilling. Really, I've been recording that video. The video took so long because I had to like try the stuff on. It was just too much.
On this flexin' nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone.
So I know y'all seen the last clip of how my lashes was looking, and y'all can see today they don't have any bottoms. I was going through it in the middle of the night, like my eyes kept sticking together for one. I woke up once I've been asleep for like some hours, and my whole eye, oh, what is it? I just woke up, y'all, my bad. But my whole eyes was shut together like this. I'm trying to rip them apart. They wasn't trying to come apart. So I had to go like this and finally get it apart, and it was kind of hurting a little bit. So I finally get it unstuck together, and I'm like touching down here, and I noticed I don't have any lashes anymore down there. So I just don't get it. Like, I did it with hair glue. So my lashes look cute. It's just one little lash just sitting there. Like, go somewhere then. The rest of them want to come off. Go. Why are you still sitting there? I just did my makeup to take Instagram pictures a little. I think I went a little heavy on the contour. I was low-key trying to like rush, but yeah, I took some pictures for Instagram. Y'all know I said I was coming back to Instagram on April 1st. Today's April 2nd at night. Is my camera dirty? I just took the pictures. They came out cute. So I don't know when I'm gonna post it, probably tomorrow. But make sure I go follow my Instagram. I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all so y'all could just easily see it. Or you could click the link in the description box and it take you right to it. I'm not taking my makeup off tonight, no. I'm just gonna get in the bed like I always do. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of the video because I really don't have nothing else to put in this. I was gonna include something else, but I didn't end up doing nothing today. So that's basically the end of this video. I hope y'all like this little mini vlog. I don't even know what I'm gonna title this, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.